Jai Shri Radhe Krishna everyone. Let's start with the both hands on thighs variation of Surya Namaskara. Stand on the top of your mats and chant Om Suryaya Namaha. Breathe in, hands up, arch back to Hastuttanasana. Breathe out, bend forward, palms beside the feet, Padahastasana. Breathe in, right leg back, Ashvasanchalanasana. Breathe out, interlock fingers and place them on thigh for the variation. Stay there. Breathe in, go to Ashvasanchalanasana again. Breathe out, go back to Adho Mukha Svanasana, the downward facing dog. Stay there. Hold yourself. Now breathe in, come forward to Falakasana. Hold yourself. Let's do it slowly. Breathe out, go to Ashtangasana, chest, chin and knee on the floor. Breathe in, scoop forward to Bhujangasana, the cobra pose. Breathe out, go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe in, come to Ashvasanchalanasana. Breathe out, interlock your fingers and place them on the thigh. Keep your back straight. Breathe in, right leg forward, Ashvasanchalanasana. Breathe out, come to Padahastasana. Breathe in, arch back to Hastuttanasana. Breathe out, Namaskarasana. Let's repeat it on the left side to complete the set. Stand in Namaskarasana, breathe in and chant Om Suryaya Namaha. Breathe in, hands up, arch back to Hastuttanasana. Breathe out, bend forward, palms beside the feet to Padahastasana. Breathe in, left leg back, Ashvasanchalanasana. Breathe out, interlock your fingers and place them on the thigh. Go for the hands on thigh variation. Breathe in Ashvasanchalanasana. Breathe out, go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe in, come forward to Falakasana, the plank pose. Breathe out in Ashtangasana, chest, chin and knees on the ground. Breathe into Bhujangasana. Breathe out, gently go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Hold yourself. Bring your left leg forward. Breathe in, come to Ashvasanchalanasana. Breathe out, interlock your fingers and place them on thigh. Breathe in Ashvasanchalanasana. Breathe out, go to Padahastasana. Breathe in Hastuttanasana. Breathe out in Namaskarasana. Well done. We are done with the both hands on thigh variation of Surya Namaskara. Thank you for joining. Like, share and subscribe. Namaste.